Today I want to talk about hydrostatic pressure. What is it and what does it cause? Hydrostatic pressure has to do with the water pressure that's created around the foundation of your home. When there's a lot of water around your house, it has to find a way to level itself, and in doing so, it creates a tremendous amount of pressure on the foundation of your walls. For example, if you have a ball in a swimming pool and you push it down just below the surface, it's not too hard to hold it, but the further you push it down, the harder it becomes for you to hold. And then, when you let go of the ball, it comes flying out of the water, relieving itself of the pressure that was exerted on it. The same thing happens with water around your foundation. When hydrostatic pressure builds up, it can literally push water through the tiniest of cracks in a poured foundation wall and wreak havoc on your home. This pressure can push so strongly that it will bend and bow a block wall. So if you have any of these problems, please give us a call before it's too late. Have us come out for a completely free inspection of your home and let us restore your peace of mind.